Hello students, today we are covering the types of operating system, or we can say that the classification of operating system. So dear students, in our previous lecture we have covered what is an operating system. So it is a program which control overall activity of our computer system, or we can say that an operating system perform all the basic tasks just like managing the file, processes and memory. Sometimes the operating system can work as a manager. Okay, it will manage all the resources of a computer system. So dear students, now today we are covering various types of operating systems. So our first type of operating system is batch operating system. So now what is batch operating system? So to understand the concept of batch operating system, dear students, please remember, in case of batch operating system, there is no direct interaction between user and computer system. Okay, there is no direct interaction between user and computer system. So how user can submit its job to computer? So in case of batch operating system, we have another term, that is operator. The user will submit its job to the operator. After that, the operator will make batch of similar types of job. Okay, suppose multiple user send their jobs, and there is some operator who can arrange similar types of job into batches. After that, batches are submitted to the computer system for performing some task. So dear students, basically what is an batch operating system? The operating system that doesn't interact with the computer directly. Okay, in this operating system, user doesn't interact with the computer system directly. Here we have an operator which takes similar job having same requirement and group them into batches. Okay, so what happen in batch operating system? User submit his jobs, and there is an operator who can arrange similar types of jobs into batches, and after that these batches are submitted to the computer system for performing their processing. So dear students, the user can submit their job through some offline devices just like punch card. Then these punch card are submitted to operator, and operator perform batch process, which means arranging similar types of job, and after that submit these jobs to computer system. So this is the basic process of batch operating system. Now dear students, what are the various advantages of batch operating system? So dear students, as we know, it is very difficult to guess or know the time required by any job to complete. So in case of batch operating system, the processor know how long the job would be when it is in the queue. Okay, so this is the first advantage. Our second advantage is multiple user can share the batch system. Third advantage is the ideal time for batch system is very less. And our fourth advantage is it is easy to manage large work repeatedly in batch system. So these are few advantages of batch operating system. Then we have disadvantage of batch operating system. So dear students, as you know, in batch operating system, the most of work will be performed by a computer operator. So the computer operator should be well known with the batch system. In case of batch system, it become difficult to debug. Okay, and it is a costly. Or the last disadvantage of batch operating system is that here the job will have to wait for an unknown time if any job fail. Okay, So these are few disadvantages of batch operating system. So dear students, in today's lecture we have covered regarding batch operating system. So thank you for joining our today lecture.